Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Ladybug superhero style in Dress to Impress. If you're ready to save the runway and slay the villain of bad fashions, in this tutorial, we are recreating the iconic look of Ladybug from Miraculous. And let's just get started. So first, for the hair, I'm wearing this 3 hairstyle L and color it on black. And then here I'm going to put on this biker short. Go it into type 3 and change the patterns into this red and black polka pattern like a ladybug. And I'm going to put on this long sleeve with the same pattern. And also socks in the same pattern. And lastly, gloves. You can also use the same pattern. Now you're just going to put on the mask. So for the mask, I'm going to just use the sleeping mask in here. And here I'm going to use the same patterns like the rest of the outfit. So it's perfect for theme rounds, cosplay contents, or just feeling miraculously fashionable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks for more character-inspired looks in DTI. Bye!